Welcome back for our 1-hour supper with Dr. Barbecue and a special guest with us today.
Yes, Leanne, I want you to tell me first about this trophy. I got to imagine there's not a lot of women in the Barbecue Hall of Fame, right?
So over the years, there's only been 5 inducted.
Wow.
So I'm the 5th one to get inducted, and I'm very proud and happy about it.
How do you get inducted? I mean, obviously you're good at barbecue.
It goes through a lot of qualification processes, but I've been a 26-year competitor. I've had 6 barbecue restaurants and co-host radio shows, so I've kind of crossed a lot of those platforms that are required.
Well deserved. And today we are making
pimiento and cream cheese bacon wrapped jalapenos, which you can smoke, stick in the air fryer, whatever you want. Very simple. And you all are going to help me today.
And so is Dr. Barbecue.
Yes.
Look at this.
So he's mixing the cream cheese and the pimento cheese, and it's basically a 50-50 blend. And the cream cheese, you have to have it room temperature so it's nice and soft and it's easier to mix.
What's he sprinkling on there?
Oh, that's my dad's dry rub, pig powder, and I put about 2 teaspoons in there. You can use a dry rub of your choice, but it adds some extra flavor to it. And then for your jalapenos, you simply take off the stem, you cut it in half, but the key is to wear gloves because these seeds can be very spicy and you don't want to burn your eyes. So you basically scrape it out, and then I'll have you take the mixture and fill the jalapeno boats. And you have to be careful not to overfill, because when you wrap it in bacon and actually put it in the oven or on your smoker, the cheese will ooze out. So you want to actually put it in.
Is that overfill?
No, that's perfect. So you did it great.
Yay.
So it's basically even with the top. And you can see the consistency of the cheese makes it quite simple. Now the hard part is coming, and that's wrapping the bacon around these pieces.
I overfilled.
So you have to take a piece of bacon, and you're going to wrap it starting at one end, and I kind of tuck it on the very end here, and then you're going to kind of shingle it and pull it a little bit taut until it covers the whole jalapeno. Wow. She's faster than me.
She's done this before.
And you make sure that your cheese is completely covered by the bacon. Look, picture perfect. All right, and then I like to secure it with 2 toothpicks because bacon tends to shrivel up, and you want to keep it covering over that cheese. So the toothpicks.
Mine's all exposed. Look at that. It's naked.
And you can put it in an air fryer. Wow. Okay.
I'm struggling. Look, it looks like a little baby, like a swallowed baby.
I don't want to say I told you so.
And then we'll take a little bit of the dry rub, and you can sprinkle it over the top.
I'm good at that.
And then we'll bake it or smoke it at 275, and believe it or not, it takes almost an hour for these to cook. So you cook it until the bacon gets to your, liking, and I like it kind of crispy, and we'll show you that later on. And it's delicious.
Before we leave, I want to get to this Operation Barbecue Relief. Tell us about that.
So Operation Barbecue Relief, well, Ray, you're going down there, right, to help them out.
I am. It's some old friends of ours. There was a tornado in Joplin, Missouri years ago, and all my friends have big barbecue pits, so they went down there and fed everybody and said, hey, this is a good idea, and it's grown and grown and grown. It's a huge not-for-profit now. They're down there working with the Red Cross, feeding everybody. They're going to feed thousands.
Where are they? Charlotte County, I believe you're
going? They're in Port Charlotte, but obviously you can't go to their grounds. They've got a whole situation where they're dropping off. Someone sent me a picture today of somewhere where there was a sign that said, free meals here from Operation Barbecue Relief.
And what do you do?
They're
just roll up with a truck and then just barbecue there?
No, they're a big production. They have big semis and stuff. They have everything you need. You can sign up online. OBR Volunteer is the app. I did that the other day. I signed up to volunteer, and I'm going down tomorrow.
So it doesn't matter what you can do.
They'll put you to work. They'll find something for you to do. It's a big production. It's great.
If we can roll the bacon over the jalapenos, anybody can.
I had to make up for that first one I did. I had to do better than that. That was pitiful.
If you guys want to try this recipe for yourself, we have it on our website. That's at fox13news.com.